Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. So in this video we are going to create a JS application which will detect any key pressed by the user. So let's get started and know how we can code this. So first of all we will create our HTML file. Now we will set our title. Now let's include our style.css file. Now we will set our basic layout by giving basic data in HTML. Now let's write CSS for our JavaScript application. First of all we will set our padding and margin to 0. Now we will write CSS for our body tag. Now let's check how our background is looking. So it is looking good. Now let's add some CSS for our content. Now let's check how it is looking. So it is looking good. Now let's add some spacing between them and increase our font size as well. So now it is looking good. Now let's add CSS for our key code and key name. So now let's check how it is looking. So it is looking good. Now let's add CSS for our key name. So now you can see it is looking really good. Now let's add CSS for our bottom line. So now it is looking good. Now let's check. So now let's center our paragraphs. So now it is looking really good. Now let's add a paragraph saying that press any key. Now let's style our text. Now let's align it towards center and hide other content. Now let's check. So our whole content is not hidden, so let's hide it. Now let's check how it is looking. So whole content is hidden now. So now we need to make a JavaScript function to add active class and also detect the any key which will be pressed. Now let's check if active class is added or not. So now you can see active class is added. Now we need to write a function to detect the key which will be pressed and also display in our elements. And we need to display our content when the active class is added. So now let's check. So you can see whenever a click is pressed, it is displaying our content. So let's complete our JavaScript function now. Now let's check if it is working or not. So you can see it is showing all the arrows. Now let's check if all keys are working correctly or not. Now let's remove the content which we already added. So now you can see whenever we click on a space, it is not displaying the name of space. So let's add a function to display our name. Now we need to replace key name with our key. Now let's check if it is working or not. So it is giving an undefined error. It is because we have added e.keyname. We need to only add key name. So let's replace it and check again. So now you can see space is showing correctly. So now let's make our letters uppercase. Now let's check. So guys, this is it. This is our final product. Remember me your prayers and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.